Hey family! Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm letting you in on a little secret that has transformed my cooking game. This amazing Dutch oven. I just made the juiciest, most tender oxtail, and I can't wait to share it with you. Let's start with the basics. To make this mouth-watering oxtail, I use fresh ingredients, seasoned to perfection. The key here is to sear the meat first, locking in all those wonderful flavors. Now here's where the magic happens. After searing, the oxtail goes into the Dutch oven. What makes this pot so special? It's all about even heat distribution and locking in moisture. Perfect for slow cooking meats to tender perfection. After a few hours, the kitchen smells incredible, and the oxtail is ready. Just look at how tender this is, falling right off the bone. This is comfort food at its best. If you want to recreate this deliciousness at home, I've linked my favorite Dutch oven in the description below. Trust me, it's a game changer. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more kitchen tips and recipes. Thanks for watching.